So using a trial and error in factoring trinomial expressions, for me, that's the efficient way.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it.
What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Math-matic TV. So today is another tutorial day. So now we're going to talk about the how to factor trinomial expressions using a trial and error. So I have given 4 problems here. So let's start. For the number 1, x squared plus 5x plus 6. So how can we factor this? First, you must think a two number, either positive or negative, that if you multiply, you get a product of positive 6. And the second one, if you add, you get the sum of positive 5. But first, we must think a factor of 6. So what is the possible factor of 6? Possible factor of 6 is of positive 6, of course, it's 1 times 6. The second one is negative 1 times negative 6. The third one is 2 times 3. And the last one is negative 2 times negative 3. So which of these 4 that if you add, you get a sum of positive 5? So 1 times 6, if we add this, 1 plus 6 is 7. Negative 1 plus negative 6 is negative 7. Positive 2 plus positive 3 is positive 5. And the last one is negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5. Therefore, the factor of 6 that we get a sum of 5 is 2 and 3. So it means that the factor for the number 1 is equal to x plus 2 times x plus 3. So if you want to check this, just FOIL. So if we FOIL this is equal to x squared. So x times x is x squared. Then x times 3 is equal to positive 3x. And positive 2 times positive x is equal to positive 2x. And positive 2 plus positive 3 is positive 6. So let's combine the like terms. So this is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 2x is 5x, then plus 6. Hence, this is the factor of x squared plus 5x plus 6. So let's proceed to the second example. So for the second example is x squared minus 7x plus 10. So again, we must think a factor of 10 that if we add, we get the sum of negative 7. So the possible factor of 10 is, of course, 1 and 1 times 10. So negative 1 times negative 10. Negative 2 times negative 5. And 2 times 5. So which of these, if we add, we get a sum of negative 7. So obviously, it's negative 2 times negative 5. So if we add this, negative 2 plus negative 5 is negative 7. Hence, the factor of x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equal to x minus 2 times x minus 5. So if you want to check again, just follow what I did in the first example. So let's proceed to the third example, which is x squared plus x minus 3. So again, we must think a factor of 3 that if we add, we get a sum of positive 1. So because the coefficients of in the middle, which is x, is 1. So what is the possible factor of 3, or what is the factor of negative 3? So the factor of negative 3 is negative 1 times 2, or 1 times negative 2. Also, I think this is only the factor of negative 3. So which of these that if we add, we get a sum of positive 1? So for the first trial, which is negative 1 times 2, so if we add this, negative 1 plus positive 2, this is equal to 1, because this is the same in subtracting negative 1 in 2. Hence, this is equal to x minus 1 times x plus 2. So let's proceed to the fourth example. So x squared plus 9x plus 20. So again, we must think a factor of 20 that if we add, we get a sum of positive 9. We need to think a factor of positive 20, I mean. So the possible factor of positive 20 is negative 1 times negative 20, 1 times 20, negative 4 times 5, and 4 times 5. Also, we have negative 2 times 10, also 2 times 10. So this is the possible factor of 20. So which of these that if we add, we get a sum of 5? So obviously it's 4 times 5, or 4 and 5. That because if we add this, we get a sum of 9, of positive 9, because negative 1 plus negative 20 is negative 21. 1 plus 20 is 21. Negative 4. Oops, this should be negative 5. So negative 4 plus negative 5 is negative 9. And 4 plus positive 5 is, or 4 plus 5 is 9. Negative 2, this will be negative also, because only the positive factor of 20. So negative 2 plus negative 10 is negative 12, and 2 plus 10 is 12. So hence, the factor of 20 that if we add, we get a sum of 9 is 4 and 5. Hence, the answer, or the factor of x squared plus 9x plus 20 is x plus 4 times x plus 5. So using a trial and error in factoring trinomial expressions, for me, that's the efficient way. So I hope that everyone understands this tutorial. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please share your thoughts about it by commenting below. And if you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see the other videos, link in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Stay tuned and see you on my next video. Thanks and God bless.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.